Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is a parabola um, for paper 3. All right, you have to complete this function table of the function y is equal to 5 plus 3x minus 2x squared. Now, the minus 2x squared tells me that this is turned upside down. If the x squared term is minus, it's upside down. If it's a plus, it is turned with its hands up to heaven. Amen. So now we're going to find when x is equal to, when x is equal to 2, we're going to find what y is. So we plug it into the equation. Wherever x is, and write 2. 5 plus 3 times 2 minus 2 times 2 squared. Now, you should be able to put all of this in one step, but I'm doing it real slow. All right? So I got is equal to 5 plus 6 minus 8 is equal to 3. So when x is 2, y is going to be 3. So I can say f of 2. The function when x is 2 is going to be equal to 3. All right? Now, when y is equal to minus 1.5, or the function f of minus 1.5, wherever x is, I'm going to write minus 1.5. So I end up with all of this, and I end up with equal to minus 4. You see that? So minus 4. Now, to graph this, it says using a scale of 2 centimeters to 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to 1 unit. See, each one of those blocks is equal to 1 centimeter. So on the x-axis, notice what we did here. Each one of these blocks, I didn't really draw the graph in, the x and y axis in, but this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You see that? I mean, 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. But on the y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You see that? So that we can plot those decimal points. So now we have it all plotted out. And I think the last question is, if you're following this, no, part C, sorry about that. Using a graph to solve the equation, right, come on. Using the graph to solve the equation, this f, 5 plus 3x minus 2x squared is equal to 2. So, when y is equal to 2, what do I get? So when y is equal to 2, I just go over here. Okay, I see I made a mistake in the thing I sent out. X equal to minus, so when y is equal to 2, what is the value of the function? So I simply go where y is 2, and I go all the way over. What do I hit? I hit minus 0.4. See, that's less than 1. Minus 0.4. And when x is 2, pardon me, I just made a mistake. When y is 2, I go over here, and you probably can't see it, this is going to be minus 0.7. See that? Less than 1. Or I can say, so x equal to minus 0.7, or x is equal to 2, what did I get? 2.4, minus 2.4, right? So you can see 2.4. It's hard to see it on this. But if you plot this, you can see it. All right? Now it says here on the last part, now, question. If it will ask you to find when x is equal to 0, because I saw this on another paper, so you simply go to the x-axis, would simply be y is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, we just find the x-intercepts. So that would be right here, right there, and right there where they cross the y-axis. So that would be 2.5, and that would be roughly minus 1. All right? So don't panic if they change up the numbers. You can say when y is equal to 1, when y is equal to minus 1, etc., etc. Yes, fine. You just draw the line of y is equal to 2, and wherever it crosses the x-axis, that's your answer. Now, the last part, it says calculate the slope of the curve at the point 0.5. So I find 0.5, which is right here. Now, this isn't drawn exactly because it's only going to be touching the line, and as you can see, there's a little space in there, but it will be touching, and then I'm going to draw it, and now I'm going to form a triangle, right? A right triangle, and so my slope is rise over run. So what I did is I marked 2 points, so I went across here, and I drew the line straight down to where it crosses here, and I see that my run is going to be 3 units long. Alrighty, I do pardon me, I made a mistake. I need to focus. I'm trying to do too much videos, but I know I have to. So now the run is equal to 1.5 units because each one of these blocks is 0.5. So that's going to be 1.5. And the rise is going to be from here. See, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4.2 right there. Alright, so my slope is equal to y0, 1 is equal to 4.2c. Now, you can do this several ways. I can say minus x, minus 1.5. See, I'm going this way, minus 1.5 over minus 4.2. I'm going down. Or I can say plus 4.2 plus 1.5. See, the slope, if I'm rising from left to right, must be positive. So therefore, it doesn't matter how you look at this. Up is plus, and to the right is plus x. Or if I'm starting here, to the left, I am headed into the minus x direction, and I'm going down this minus y direction. It doesn't matter, the answer will still be positive. So my answer works out to be 4.2 divided by 1.5. My slope is going to be 2.8. Okay? Be blessed.